we are going for new farming project. This is how we loaded ourselves. We carry along a bike. This is what Nigeria has caused, basically because of this fuel wahala. We just carry it so that we drop some of the workers in the farm, and we can come back with buy, because you can't just be carrying truck up and down to and fro because of fuel. This is what Nigeria has done. Watch this video to the end and see our new farming projects. Hello guys, this is Agric Ventures. As you can see the land left and right here. This land we are looking at is about 2,000 acres. That is about 800 hectares of land. Yes, we are starting a new farming project here. We are going to plant maize here. We are considering making use of about 100 acres of land here. This is my truck over there. So we are trying to survey the land and see what you are going to do. Maybe first of all, we need to spray it before we plow. Then we harrow it. So this is the second time we are coming to the farm and see what we can do on it.
Our body. Seeing is believing, you know. How can we believe? Ori. Here we are. Very real. Now right now. Yes. This is very real. And you can see the land. Must see land. This land, you can see they have dropped me at the back. Let me run. Hello. Agusha. Yes. It's not easy. Baba don't see na cassava and agbado. We are living on cassava and agbado now. So we are trying to give you guys enough of the cassava and the agbado as land. Almost see. Plenty land. Our people is familiar. See where their motor don't reach. See where their motor don't reach. See. Really, it's going to be a very good project, I believe.
Ibi tó ní 100 yìí 100 kẹ ó mọ ya how many meters láti bí dé sálẹ̀. Ibi 200 kẹ ojú 200 ni.
Very 30 acres, very 40 acres.
Okay, what's up, man? Make I come give you your food. Abi you don't eat?